In this video, I will show you how you can move a trade from this point where you have a strong confidence at this particular time, and you say this, and you can actually say statement like this that people will see results and they will be terrified, and eventually you will have this on that same trade, just like as you have promised. So work with me. So when you can head straight to your trading view, and that's chat.deriv.com. Anyone you know it as, whether you know it as tradingview.deriv.com, it will still end up as chat.deriv.com. And if you don't know it before, I'm going to actually attach the link. The reason why you have to use this is for security purpose, so that you don't actually open trade on your MetaTrader when you are not planning to open trade. This will actually allow you to actually do your analysis, just like they talk about normal trading view, but this is what you use for synthetic. Okay, now pick your instrument. I pick fix 75. You know me as fix 75 trader. And so what did we do now when we have picked our instrument? Let's say you have missed the market when it started dropping from 224, which you can see obviously on this chart at this level. Then the market dropped all the way to this level. Let's say we've missed that. Now, the only reason why we know that market is going to sell is because we have seen it selling already. Maybe we see it selling to around this point, 22. And this level, we did not know whether the market will return back up or the market will continue selling. Let's say we did not know. And it's not good to keep chasing the market. So what will be the ideal thing to allow the market to, first of all, do its sell, and probably you will see a good opportunity when market has pulled back for you to add your own position, or probably when the market is ready to buy, you buy. Now in this case, what we're waiting for, we are waiting for opportunity. Now in this case, when we actually see an opportunity, this is the level where the opportunity come when the market move all the way up here. You're asking me, but market has been moving up all this level, so why not them? All this level that you have been seeing the market moving up, the sum that what you are facing, what you are having, is break of structure. But in this case, what we have is change of character. If you don't know that before, you can do research about change of character and break of structure. Break of structure happens when market is going in your direction. So in the case of actually buying, you have a break of structure by the reason of new higher high that you have, because the previous higher high will be broken, the new one will be higher than the previous one. In the case of a sell, we have a new lower low, because the previous lower low will be broken, another lower low will actually be created. Now that is the concept for a breach of structure. But when it comes to change of character, it means that the market completely move against that direction and now give a hint that they want to turn around and start moving in the other way around. In this case, this market was selling before, turn around to show that you want to start buying. That is a change of character and not break of structure. So now that we have a break of structure, we know that that is very we have a change of character. That is a key information that we needed, number one. Then the next thing we want to do whenever we have seen change of character is that we plot our Fibonacci, because change of character in this case does not necessarily mean that the market is ready to buy. It just means that the pullback is going to be significant enough for us to see opportunity to enter and take advantage of the ride all the way down. So what did we do? We plot our Fibonacci. Now this Fibonacci retracement, you can mark it as your favorite. And I have marked my own as my favorite, and the extension as we mark. You can see them now. So what did I do? I picked the Fibonacci retracement. Now it's already on the chart because I've placed it on the chart. Then we spread it out. Normally, the way they do pick Fibonacci, you pick from the high. In this case, the high level will actually be our 1.0, and the lowest level will be our 0. Because you know that from 1.0 it will be closer to this. All right, so we have it already now. Okay, good. Whenever we have actually seen, remember we have had a change of character, and now we have also plotted our Fibonacci. Now you can just do your findings, your research, and actually make this ask this question online, Google will tell you that what is the golden level of Fibonacci. You will see that they will put it there 50 level, 50-point level. Now, since we are talking about 50-point level, it's a golden level. So you either look for opportunity at 50 level of Fibonacci or 61.8 level of Fibonacci. Never look for opportunity at 23 level of 23 level, 23.8 level of Fibonacci. Is not good, because that does not make any sense. Market has pulled back, but not up to 50%, and you are taking your trade. What of if you want to set your stop loss at the 1.0 or the 100 level of Fibonacci? Then your risk will be higher than your reward. So that does not make any sense. It defies Fibonacci reasons. So now, this does not defy Fibonacci reason, because why? Market pull back 50%, as you can see, 50, 0.5. Now that's the market. Now remember, we talked about change of character earlier. The same thing will happen. In this case, you can see that break of structure continue to happen. Just remember, I told you that break of structure is when you actually have a new higher high that is higher than the previous higher high. In this case of this short buy time that we have, market kept doing like that until it stopped doing like that when the market break the higher low. It's supposed not to break the higher low. The only reason why the higher low is broken, remember when we talk about the sell, that the only reason why that will be happening in this is that in the sell, a new lower low will be lower than the previous lower low. That is also a concept of break of structure. But in the case of market going up and that situation happened, that means a change of character has happened. Now, in the moment you know that now the market is now ready to start selling back, remember it's same break of structure, then a now change of character. Just the same way we see change of character and immediately we come and plot Fibonacci. Now that you see a change of character, you plot your Fibonacci. Are you now ready for your entry rather? In this case, so what we do, the moment that this change of character happen, you wait at the level where the market start dropping for and go and set your entry there. Then what did you see? Market went all the way to that level and activate trade and start dropping almost from that place. Then you're asking me, how did I know that this will happen? Can I test it on any other market currently? Go and test it and go and make research. What happened is that people would have entered trade when change of character happened. They will set their stop loss. Remember, they said enter trade, and when the market is now selling, enter trade from resistance level, set your stop loss above the resistance, then the market will go all the way back to support. Did you know that type of training? That training will actually make you to be stopped out here, because you have seen that the market was ready to sell and you were not wrong, because you've seen it going up before. Now you see that okay, it's now ready to continue the sell, but you did not know that the market will go and sweep liquidity for everybody that have rushed into trade and compensate those who are patient. So the market went there to take out those who are impatient, so that the people that are patient can snipe into trade and the trade can keep dropping in their direction. And that is why when I saw the opportunity around this area, I did not even was able to take trade. But when I see it at this point, I already know that I was not still wrong. I was early. Now, the reason why I added Fibonacci time extension is so that we can actually extend it to actually know where the market will actually reach next after we have set our first take profit at 195. I will show you that on my VIP also. I gave the trade and I asked them to set take profit at 196, because that is a sure level that market will break before it continue dropping. So what did we do? We add Fibonacci extension. So this is my extension. We'll bring it. We start from here, level, the first level. The second level. And the third level. The first level, the second level, and the third level. So what did you notice now? Okay. Oh, sorry. The third level. So now, what did we see? Where is the market going? You can see all the level where the market will go. Did you reach this level? Yes. Did you reach this level? Yes. Where is the next level that the market is going now? You can see The market is going to around 174, and which is most likely going to reach there. This is how you can actually use Fibonacci extension also on your chart, adding it to your Fibonacci retracement. Easy peasy. Now, for those who and with this you can actually take your trade. I'm going to actually be conducting a training which is going to actually start on Monday 6th of this month of May 2024. And this training, the fee of this training is just as low as, it's just very low. It's just $50, and the early birds, those who make payments on or before 4th, are going to actually pay $35, and you're going to actually be in the training. And the training will last for a month, which I will actually go through everything. And the video will, for the training, will also be recorded for those who may not be privileged to be available live in all the training session. And you have actually the opportunity to ask me any question to know everything. Now, this training cost you, if you are able to make payment early now, just $35. Or even if you are not able to make payment early, you can join us even at any point during the training, and you just make your payment of $50, and every videos that we have done, you are going to actually have access to them, and you still enjoy throughout the training section, and you actually get everything. Now, I've actually put on my channel the things that you are expecting for the training. These are the things that we are looking at during the training. I just summarize this. We go into details with the training that you understand. So we talk about concept of liquidity, we talk about the habit and psychology, trading habit and psychology, we talk about concept of risk management, and we actually talk about how you can spot opportunities and you can categorize opportunities, the ones that are good, the ones that are actually awesome, and the ones that you can let slide. We talk about concept of portfolio building or managing. We talk about how you can remain constant, how you can remain consistent in trading. That's what can actually make you to build a resilience. Some people think it is ability not to give up, but I always say it: if you keep losing money, it's just a matter of time. There will be a time that you'll be exhausted. So how can you remain consistent? How to deal with losses? And we know that losses is also part of trading. But how can you deal with it? In most especially the losses that can actually ruin your trading journey, because there are some losses that some people will just say accept, that it may be difficult to accept. So how did you actually deal with different losses? And we'll talk about indicators. We talk about moving average, we talk about Fibonacci, we talk about Elliott waves. These are the things, the few among the things that we actually be treated in the training. And just like I said, the fee is just ridiculously low, $35. And just like you can see, so if you have interest in actually participating in the training, you can just use the link attached to this video. You will actually see the link to actually message me, or you make payment to any of the payment option that is actually listed here under this video in the description, and send me proof on any of those platforms, whether Telegram or WhatsApp, and you'll be added to the group where the training will actually be happening. And just like we said, you're going to enjoy the training, because I'm going to give all it takes for you to actually know. And if you can watch back my videos on YouTube, you will see different videos that I've made where I flip accounts. How did I know? How was I able to do it? To keep flipping accounts, to take a less than $100 to 1,000, to take less than $100 to $1,500 in 2-3 days. How am I doing it? You are going to know. You are going to have the privilege to actually ask me. And for those who want to also along the line be taking signals as I'm actually giving the training, you can also take advantage of that, and that will actually means you are going to pay $50 as an early bird if you make payment before 4th or on the 4th, which is tomorrow, or you're going to actually pay $65. It's just additional $15 to actually enjoy signals through your training. You'll be added to the VIP, and you will enjoy signals throughout your training section. While you are learning, you are earning also at the same side with you. So I think this is a fair offer. I would love to actually have you on board to actually be a part of my success story, students that actually can actually tell others what I'm capable and I'm made of. I'll see you in my next video. And if you find my video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe. If you're not a subscriber, but a subscriber before, I just like the video, recommend others to actually come and watch the video also. Love you guys. I'll see you in the next video.